Hello there! Today we will show you behind the scenes of the smart PCB assembly by high-tech pick-and-place machine which performs pre-programmed component fitting. We called ours Agatha. The machine has multiple feeders. They hold electronic components like resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits from which it picks the predefined pieces and precisely positions them on a circuit board, as predefined by coordinates in our setup specifications. The red light you see here is a precision camera, ensuring accurate placement by monitoring the alignment and orientation of each component as it is being moved. This ensures a highly reliable assembly procedure. In general, pun intended, at General Laser we provide customized hardware and software solutions, including PCB building and design. Now you know Agatha, who partially helps us with that.